Welcome. By using a multiple constant declaration, you can declare multiple constants in the same declaration statement. Let's check it out. Let's declare two int constants named max and min. All you need to do is to separate them with a comma as in here. Then you need to declare a type for all of them using the type once. Here, both constants are integers now. And lastly, you need to initialize them like this. Again, separated by a comma. As in variables, the number of constants on the left side should match to the initializer values on the right side. Now let's print them all. Okay, time to run it. As you can see, it correctly prints 1 and 1000. 1 for the min constant, 1000 for the max constant. Multiple constant declaration syntax looks very similar to the multiple variable declaration syntax, right? The only difference is in the const keyword. By the way, you can also declare multiple constants by putting them in a group like this. You just need to wrap the constants inside parentheses. While inside the group, you can declare the constants as in here. You can use this syntax when you want to increase the readability of your code. Okay, let's run it. It prints 1 and 1000 again. So this syntax is functionally equal to the previous declaration statement, right? And it has also another interesting property that is unique only to constants. Let's check it out. I removed the second constant's type and value. Constants should have to be initialized to a value, right? What will happen now? Okay, let's run it. It prints 1 and 1. Can you guess why? Please pause the video and think about it. Okay, here Go repeats the previous constant's type and expression. This means that if there was a type, the next constant without a type will get its type from the previous constant. And if a constant doesn't have an expression, it will repeat the expression of the previous constant. And the result of the expression will be assigned to the constant. So here, Go declares the type of the max automatically, and it also initializes it. But the max constant gets its type and value from the previous constant min. Let's take a look at another example. This time, I'm initializing the first constant using a constant expression. Let's see what happens when I run it. It prints 2 and 2 this time. This happens because the max constant repeats the expression of the previous constant, which is min. So the max executes the expression again, and the result becomes 2. So its value also becomes 2. So why it acts like that? What's the benefit of this? Well, this feature is widely used with IOTA. You'll learn about IOTA at the end of this section. Alright, that's all for now. See you in the next lecture.